So this frozen tofu technique is really great because you can turn any block of tofu into your own meat substitute. Really simply, really easily. But to start off, you need to be picking the right kind of tofu, and that is something that is soft or medium soft because you want there to be water content within the tofu. What you're going to be doing is freezing it, then this is thawing it, and you're going to be squeezing out the water from that tofu. But let's say you're using extra firm. There's not that much water in it to squeeze out after it thaws out, and then you're not really going to be getting the kind of that spongy texture that you want. So I'm not gonna lie, this is not like your Beyond Meat chicken. It's not supposed to be. This is, more of your whole food plant-based option. It's great for absorbing different kinds of sauces, and if you flavor it correctly, you can really mimic a lot of things. So I've tried this with like a Hainan chicken by flavoring it with like ginger and garlic and spring onions, and it was just really, really good. And it was like a really clean option. Like you knew what was in your chicken, which is great.